Good morning class 1. Welcome back to your EVS class. So after your first terminal exam, this is your first class. In this class we will discuss with a new chapter. Lesson number 5. House. We all live in a house. House is a safe place for us because it protects us from dust, cold, rain, heat, etc. There are different types of houses. Houses may be a hut, may be a bungalow, may be a flat, may be a multi-storied building. Now, types of houses. Types of house. There are mainly two types of house. Number 1, kacha house, and number 2, pakka house. Now, what is kacha house? Kacha house are those houses which are mainly made up of mud, wood, straw, stones, etc. And in villages, we mainly see kacha houses. Pakka house. Pakka house is just opposite to the kacha house. Pakka houses are those houses which are mainly made up of bricks, cement, stones, etc. And in cities, we mainly see pakka houses. Now, house of animals. Very important. House of animals. Animals also have the need of house. And their house are different types. Different animals live in different types of houses. A lion. Lion lives in a den. All of you look at your book and look at the picture very carefully. Lion lives in a den. So lion's house is called den. Bird makes a nest. So bird's house is called nest. A spider makes a web. So spider house is called web. A dog lives in a kennel. So dog's house is called kennel. Honeybee makes a hive. So honeybee's house is called hive. A snake lives in a hole. So snake's house is called hole. An elephant lives in the forest. So elephant's house is forest. A horse lives in a stable. So horse house is called stable. A cow lives in a shed. So cow's house is called shed. Very important. This house of animals. Okay. Now, so in this chapter, just read types of houses and house of animals. Now come to your exercise part. Your exercise is mentioned in your worksheet. তোমাদের এই এক্সারসাইজের কাজটাই তোমাদের ওয়ার্কশিটে দেওয়া আছে. So I discuss with you one by one. Fill in the blanks with suitable answers given below. See, there are the answer already given. Just choose the correct answer. A cow lives in a dash, blanks. So a cow lives in a shed. So the answer is shed. Write the answer in these blanks. Okay? And do it in your book. তোমরা কিন্তু এই fill in the blanks টা বুকেতেই করবে. A dash lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. So the answer is horse. And C, D, E, do it yourself. Write true or false. A lion lives in a den. Is it true or false? If it is correct, then write true. And if it is wrong, then write false. So a lion lives in a den. See, lion lives in a den. So it is true. So write true. An elephant lives in the forest. It is true. So write true. Like this, C, D, E, do it yourself. And write true, false in your book. তোমরা এটা বুকেতেই করবে. Next, tick the correct option. A sparrow makes a dash. Nest, den, stable. So a sparrow is a bird. So it makes a nest. So the answer is nest. Put a tick mark in nest box. Okay. So like this, rest of the part do it yourself. And এটাও তোমরা বুকেতেই করবে. Tick the correct option. Now match the following columns. Very easy. Dog's house is called kennel. So dog kennel. Okay, right, like this. Do it again yourself and do it in your book. এটাও কিন্তু বুকেতেই করো. Now come to question answer part. Answer the following questions. What do we need to live in? What is the answer? House is the answer. So we need to live in. We need a house to live in. The answer is we need a house to live in. So see, answer, your answer is in the first line. তোমরা যদি পারো ফুল সেন্টেন্সে অ্যান্সার লিখবে, যদি মনে হচ্ছে পারছি না দেন তোমরা শুধু হাউসও লিখে দিতে পারো. অ্যান্সার ইজ হাউস. ওকে, নেক্সট, নেম দ্য টু টাইপস অফ হাউসেস. ভেরি ইজি. পাক্কা হাউস অ্যান্ড কাচ্চা হাউস. জাস্ট রাইট. Two types of houses are kacha house and pakka house, or only write the answer. Just write the answer. Where does a dog live? Which types of houses are seen in villages? And where do birds live? Do it yourself. And do this part, mainly this question answer part, do it in your copy. তোমরা কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সারটা কপিতে করো, কারণ বুকেতে তো কোনো স্পেস নেই. সো কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলো জাস্ট কপিতে করবে, অ্যান্ড বাকি যেগুলো বললাম ম্যাচ, ট্রু ফলস, টিক দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার, ফিল ইন দ্য ব্ল্যাঙ্কস, এগুলো বুকেতে করবে. ওকে স্টুডেন্টস, অ্যান্ড থিংস টু ডু পার্ট জাস্ট ক্রস ইট আউট, এটার কোনো প্রয়োজন নেই. সো দ্যাটস অল ফর টুডেজ ক্লাস. সি ইউ ইন দ্য নেক্সট ক্লাস. টাটা.